Will Imnn be testing the $2 levels once again in the upcoming week, or is this a ticker which you should be cutting your losses from and running away from? What's up, trend friends? Welcome back to another no BS, non-biased price prediction video. Today, we're going to be breaking down Imnn and where to see it heading from here. Now, with that said, this is a ticker which has had a extremely volatile Friday, running from approximately 45 cents all the way upwards of the peaks of $1.70, then now dumping down to 88 cents. So what is happening? As always, today's video is going to have three main segments: the why, the what, the where. The why, we are first going to break down the analysis of the catalyst that's been going on and why the stock has been so freaking volatile. Then we're going to be getting to the specifics of the company and doing some fundamental analysis, which actually relates to trading rather than investing. And I will be explaining to you guys exactly what the difference between those two are. And then we're going to be talking about the chart and where to get in, where to get out. So without further ado, let's get into it. Now, the company did have some massive news. Come Friday, the company announced that they're going to go ahead and actually had some positive results regarding their potential ovarian cancer treatment. It says that Imnn said Friday it received positive results, positive data showing improvements in overall progression-free survival from phase 2 study of IMNN-001, an investigational therapy for the treatment of advanced ovarian cancers. The 112 patients showed study and it basically ended up, the length of their survival ended up being 46 months compared to the 33 that it was expected to be. So pretty good stuff, right? Adding over a year of freaking, life expectancy to survivals of cancer, ovarian cancer, right? Extreme ovarian cancer. That's amazing. Hence, the amazing price action, which we saw. The stock ran from 45 cents all the way upwards of $1.70. Then the company went ahead and it shot itself in the, I would say in the leg, but I would rather say in the freaking head. Okay, the company went ahead and said that they're announcing a dilution private placement of $9.75 million priced at the market value under NASDAQ rules, right? Again, this is not good at all. Basically, what dilution is, guys, is that it goes ahead and it's pretty much the company taking out a loan against its own shares, okay, and making its shares now be worth less because the company is now, has more shares. So they basically go ahead and sell more shares at a discounted price, diluting their own ownership of the company. The less ownership they have, the less ownership we have. Okay, that's pretty much it. And what happens? Well, the stock goes ahead and drops 25% in the after hours. Now, I would say that, listen, the stock can give us a, buy the dip, bleed to death strategy is what we would call it, right? So I would say around maybe if we see a lot of red and it drops all the way down to 50 cents, I would say this is a great pickup around 50 cents, okay? And there's another thing, right? I know so many people are like, oh, well, what about 75 cents? Can you not trade some? Yes, you can. And let me tell you something. It's going to give us a lot of volatility heading into the upcoming week as well, considering the company does only have a 15 million market cap. So you can take multiple trades on it, but I'm just telling you guys the most conservative, easy trade ever, and that's going to be the 50 cent level, okay? That honestly got to be the 50 cent level. You just place 50 cents to, let's say, 63 cents, 62 cents-ish, something like that, bam. Just like that, you guys saw 15% gains, right? And you're out of there. It's actually more than that. It's 20%, 25% gains, okay? 25% gains, bam. Just like that, you're out of that. It's that simple, okay? You don't need to stress about this, stress about that. And I'm telling you guys, it's trading those no-brainer setups, no matter how long it takes for you to find one, that's going to make you a profitable trader. That's what's going to end up making you a profitable trader, not a setup that you're freaking holding and hoping for. Okay. Now, again, I'm talking from my experience. I'm a very conservative trader when it comes to trading because I understand that trading is already extremely risky. So why would I go ahead and add more risk? And that's why I have such a win percentage that I have, right? The past month, guys, the past actually 2 months, I want to say, right? We've had an 86% win rate in our small account challenge. This is a 10K account, which we started, guys. As you guys can see, April, we didn't have a single losing trade, even though 1 week I was away. I was in Dubai this week, so I didn't trade. And then in May, right, this week it was kind of lackluster. Honestly, we did ended with a pretty big loss, $116 on the day. This was a pretty big loss for us. This was not a good week at all, okay, for us when it comes to trading this week. But it is what it is, right? Losing is part of trading, and we still have a 86% trade win rate and an 88%, 88% day win percentage, meaning that 88% of our days we finish green rather than red, okay? Now, again, these results are from a small account challenge with a 10K size account challenge. So if you have 100K, this would have been like something like 12K. You made 12K, okay, in a month. That's that simple. And listen, if you do want to trade alongside me, I don't charge a monthly subscription. I don't charge an annual fee. I don't charge anything like that. The way it works is that you join, you make money, you give me 20% of the money I made you. It's that simple, okay? It's win-win. It's, performance-based compensation. And I know I can perform. I know I can make you money. So why not be performed when I or be compensated when I perform, rather than charge up front and seem like a fucking scammer and a course seller or whatever the fuck. Okay, I don't want to deal with any of that. But if I'm making you money, hey, you owe me something. All right, ain't shit free. Just teach people how to trade. Just give it to us for free. What I look like, fucking Gandhi to you? Okay, that's it. All right. So, anyways, with that said, my friends, I wish you guys the best of luck. Unfortunately, guys, for me, 50 cent levels is where I would buy Imnn. The company fucked up, man. The company has a $14 million market, market cap, and they came out with a $9.75 million dilution. I mean, it's unfortunate, but it is what it is, right? It's the nature of the business which we're in. A lot of scammy companies, a lot of companies looking to raise money left and right from their stock, and you got to be able to anticipate dilution. Now, with that said, I wish you guys the best of luck, man, whether it's in trading or everyday life. Thank you for watching. I've been in trading. Your boy Sam from Top Academy.